Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making shrimp and sausage with potatoes. So I'm starting with the potatoes first. I'm just seasoning them. Okay, so I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm gonna put some oil in a pan and let it heat up. So while it was heating up, I went ahead and started with the sausage. I'm just cutting them into smaller pieces. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the potatoes in to cook, and then once it was done, I went ahead and started the sausage. So before I put them in a pan, I just put a little bit of oil and let them cook. Once those was done, I went ahead and started the shrimp. So I seasoned them, and now I'm adding Obey seasoning. Okay, now that the shrimp is done, I'm just gonna be making my plate. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.